just love the smell of these. Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I have an unboxing of the coveted Oran sandals. But before we get into that, let me introduce myself. I'm Tamika, and here on my channel I cover topics on fashion, luxe for less, luxury, and the occasional lifestyle content. So if that sounds like topics that you would enjoy, consider hitting that subscribe button down below along with that notification bell so you never miss an upload. So a little backstory before we get into the unboxing. I have a confession to make. This is not a true unboxing, it's more of a reveal. I've actually had these shoes for well over a year and just have not worn them. Last year was really crazy for me, and fashion was really the last thing on my mind. So this summer was gonna be the breakout moment for these sandals. So let's get straight into the unboxing. When you get them or you buy them online, they do come in a plain white packaging. And I am just still shocked that I have not yet to wear these out of the house, but they're gonna have their moment before the summer's over, trust me. So this is the packaging. I don't know if you can see that, but right there, some, I guess, cushion. Then you have the actual box with the receipts. And then there is a ribbon. I want to keep the ribbon the way that it is. I don't want to unravel it because I just like the way it looks. So I just pull it off like this. Then you have the nice orange box to reveal, because like I said, I have already seen these. The 2 dust bags. And they smell so good. I love the smell of fresh leather. To reveal the Oran sandal in the white color, brown leather sole, and we will talk about how there is a newer version of these out now a little bit later. So let's get into first impressions, my online shopping experience, and sizing. First impressions are, I love them. They are luxurious, they are Hermes, they are what they are, and let's face it, that's why a lot of us love them, and I am no exception to that. I love the leather and how they can be styled with a lot of different things and dressed up and down. And the main reason why I went for the color that I chose is because I was lacking a white sandal in my wardrobe, and I really needed to fill that void because I felt like there were a lot of outfits that I would wear which called for like something white, and I didn't have that. So that is why I settled on this color. And while we're talking about color, let's talk about all the color options that are currently sold out, that when I purchased my pair were readily available. And when I say available, I mean all of the colors, and I didn't have an issue. I had my pickings, like I could just pick whatever color and add to cart. Now, because of the growing popularity of all of the bright colors, the oranges, the green, the yellow, they are constantly sold out on the website, and prices on the pre-loved market for these are ridiculous. So I don't want to pay the premium. I wouldn't pay the premium. So I'm really glad that I wanted white. White and the color gold, which is a tan color, were the most popular colors at one point. But since they have introduced their bright color line, you can't find them anywhere. Another thing to note about these is that they are 2 different versions of the white. So when I purchased mine, like I said, it was last year, this was the only version offered. And when I say version, I mean the footbed of this one is brown, as you can see. The footbed of the new version is a flush white color, and there is no stitching that separates the white toe bed from the leather sole. And I believe that you can still order these. I have seen unboxings where these are still being shipped. I'll insert something here that just says that because of different batches, I believe if you request this particular sole, you can, they will ship that, or it's the luck of the draw and whatever you get, you get. I don't know if they're discontinuing this. I prefer the brown sole just simply because with the all white footbed, it's gonna get dirty really quick and show signs of wear quicker. First impressions are, they are a wardrobe must if you are into designer sandals or designer shoes. Let's get into my online shopping experience and my online shopping experience was pretty cool. I really didn't have to deal with customer service except once because of the sizing, and we'll get into that later. I did have to do an exchange, and the representative explained to me that in order to do an exchange, you do have to repurchase the item and then send that item back. They will send you the new item and then refund your money. So really, it's a return. It's not really an exchange in my opinion, but that's what she said. And she was nice and pleasant. You do need to try these on carpet, and I cannot stress that enough, because the leather sole of this is like a leather suede, and they will pick up dirt. You probably can't see this, but I literally just touched mine with my hands and they're a little sweaty. And do you see that stain right there? I don't know if it's gonna focus, but that's the kind of things that you need to avoid when trying these on, because they do go through a quality control and a inspection when you send them back through their team. And if they are damaged in any way, they will not take them back. So you'll be stuck with a shoe you can't fit, don't like, whatever. You need to try these on carpet. There is signature required when they are delivered, which is not an issue for me. And for those who work at home, it might not be an issue for you, but you do need to make sure someone is there to sign for them, because they will not release them if you are not there to sign. And I do not believe they will redirect it for you to be able to pick up from the delivery carrier. So that is my shopping experience. Sizing is a really huge topic surrounding the Oran sandals and what size you should get. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this out there, but a lot of what I've read online is a lie. I've heard size up, size down, your true size. A lot of it was not true for me. I really personally feel like if you can, you need to go in person and try these shoes on, because I was told to order true to size, and that did not work. My feet were hanging off the back. I am a true size 39 in US, and I originally bought the 9, sent it back, and reordered a 10 and went up an entire size. I don't think I should have done that. They fit, and I will show you in the cutaway. I just love the smell of these. But the toe bed here does stretch out from what I have seen online, and I'm afraid that over time, when this stretches, they won't fit as tight. So I think I should have ordered a 39 and a half, but in length, they're good. So I don't really know. It's really something that you just have to experience for yourself and really try the shoe on. Maybe order your normal size and then maybe a whole size up. I do have long toes, so that might have played a factor in why I am able to fit the 40. There isn't anything online that can really tell you how these are going to fit your foot. So this wraps up today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it, and I do plan on coming back and doing a review once I have worn them and experienced them outside of the house. But in the meantime, if you wish to connect with me further, you can head over to my Instagram at tstyled_, where you'll be able to see me style these Oran sandals and a whole lot more. Thanks for watching.